Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic for today. Yes, what's the today update for Luna? Yesterday we saw Luna increasing over 1% increase in price, but today is totally different. Today trade, today market is totally different. Today is not favoring Terra Classic, and this is the beginning of the weekend. This is Friday. Now I believe that tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday, by Monday we might see Luna dropping over 10% in price if care is not taken. But for now, in the past 7 days, they've actually dropped about that should be 7.2%. Yes, Luna Class have actually dropped about 7.2%, and in the past 24 hours, that is today, Luna have actually dropped about 2.31 or 2.31%. So actually Luna from yesterday and today, they are experiencing drop in price, and I hope that before the end of the weekend Luna class should be able to gain. Now today is actually July 7th. Yes, today is July 7th 2023. Now we are hoping that Terra Classic before June. Today is we are in July 7th now. We are before August 7th. Luna must have increased by 100%, because this month we should be expecting more projects to be launched. This month, even Bitcoin is expected to hit $40,000, and I hope for that to really come to pass. This month we are going to see more profit in crypto industry, and the same thing goes on for Terra Classic coin. So are you a trader? Please, I want to just use this opportunity to tell you, if you want to trade cryptocurrency, you want to make money trading cryptocurrency, all you need to do is you need to focus. You need to target some coins. There are some coins you need to look at. You need to focus on these coins. If you can focus on these coins, you will be making a lot of profit from your trading. Okay, these coins always hit almost 15%, 10%. So target these coins when they are down and make profit when they're actually rising. Once you see them rise up to 3, 4, 5%, and then you look at them dropping, like start dropping, or you need to just convert your coins into USDT coin, to a stable coin, and wait. And the best coin to do this is actually Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some few top coins. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.